Hey team, I wanted to remind and share with you the 4 kind of keyboard shortcuts that are super helpful as you do this editing work. The first one is pushing the control button on your keyboard and the letter A as Apple. So control A will select all of your text. The second helpful shortcut is control C, which copies your text. So hold control and push C. You don't see anything change for that one. And then if you need to push your text somewhere else, Control V will paste it. Okay. And so then you can see I've just repasted that same text here. I'm going to undo that. The last really helpful one as you're looking to edit and find words that you use frequently and you want to make some changes with is Control F for find. So Control F, this little thing opens up here. Since this is an article about reading, I'm just going to see how many times did I write the word read. Oh, 27. And then I can go through my document and it will highlight them and I can change any that I wish to change. That's it. So Control A to select all, Control C to copy, Control V as in very sticky to paste, and Control F to find.